Ellargu namaskara. Good afternoon. So it gives me immense pleasure to be here today to be a moderator. I thank Suresh Gunjali for giving me an opportunity to stand before you people. And today we will be discussing on a very important topic, which is on role of management accountant in the manufacturing sector. Even though we have a person from Tech Mahindra, he has a quite good experience working for Wipro and all those things. So we thought of bringing him because he has almost more than 10 years of experience working in Wipro in different domains. So we thought of getting him even though it's a manufacturing session. So to start with, everything has changed in India in the recent past. As the Prime Minister mantra of reform, perform and transform was introduced way back in 2016. So the post-corona scenario brought a lot of changes, especially in terms of how things will be looked into in doing the business. And there were a lot of changes which was introduced in the legal process, setting up of the business, managing the business, and aiding in transforming the business. So this is one of the biggest changes what the government has done, and the reforms have not stopped. It's continuing. You can see even the new labor reforms, even the income tax reforms which has taken place in the recent. So things are changing because globe is changing, world is changing, the business models are changing. So there are new business models which have been developed in the current year, and accordingly the roles of various professions are changing. So we have a person from BEML, which is one of the very important PSU. And one thing what I would like to say here is PSUs are driving engine of our economy. And you might have seen that there are a lot of changes which has taken place after ease of doing business was introduced as a mode of economic growth model. So ease of doing business today, especially in defense sector, right? So almost around 40,000 crores annually saved because of ease of doing business, especially instead of going for import, we are now manufacturing our internal things, and now we are even exporting also in defense sector. So it may be Tejas or it may be trucks, or a lot of things have been, pipeline are there wherein we are exporting to a lot of Middle East countries and also Southeast Asian countries. So things are changing and the roles are also redefining today. So coming back to the management profession, why we have importance of management accountant profession in PSU is that PSUs were one of the largest hirers of management accounting profession. So if you take all the PSUs which are there, right, so you see that maximum number of cost accountants are there in PSUs today. Because the role of management accountant there requires a lot of new skills, especially working with divisions and departments in different lines and different areas. So to share that views and his way the approaches are changing in the recent past, we have CMA Anil Jarat sir, who is the Director of Finance, who will be sharing with us on that topic. The next we have one more panelist, CMA Channabasavaraj is a close friend of mine. We both studied in the same college and I know him for last 35 years. So it's important to see that the technology thing, what is there, which has revolutionized the entire management accounting profession. Today, we have shifted from traditional approach to strategic approach. So in that way, we are creating a lot of new rules to us. A lot of new things have been getting added up. And we are seeing a lot of challenges also when these roles are getting transformed. For example, the recent issues of the failures in a lot of mergers, like Snapdeal in Flipkart and Microsoft and Nokia. See, and HP and Compaq, which was one of the biggest challenges which had during those times. So the reason behind all these things is because the information or the data which was getting into and getting analyzed, right, that was not done properly. So most of the time the deal fails because of that. And today we see that On an average, in a quarter, there are almost 150 mergers and acquisition deals taking place on an average in India. So keeping that challenges in mind, what is the role of our management professions and how we will be handling these situations? So how we are transforming from the traditional system to a strategic approach with the use of technology like predictive analytics or data analytics and all those things. So that becomes really one of the important areas of our discussion today. So I would request Anil Jarad ji to come and deliberate for 10 minutes. So the session flow is like this. So first 10 minutes, each participant, each panelist will be talking about their role in the company and about their company and all those things. First 10 minutes. So the next, we will be interacting with a few questions from my side. And then the floor will be open to the audience participants. So you can have few questions of interaction with the experts here. So the entire session will be for next 45 to 50 minutes max. So let us make it a more productive session, more interactive session. So I would like to now invite Anil Jarad ji to make his presentation about BEML and his role as a cost and management accountant. Thank you.